Oh, hey, BravoTV.com. Welcome to my fridge tour. Yes, I'm dressed like this because I'm multitasking today. I've got my interview in a few minutes, but I have, I don't know, a few minutes to at least show you what's inside my refrigerator. Now, I am one of those people that likes to have all of their labels facing forward. So when I open my refrigerator and I see something that's not face forward, I get these like nerves. So 99.9% of the time, you'd open my refrigerator and see all of the labels facing forward. Now, I'm a mom with 2 kids. You know, I need the basics: ketchup, mayo, mustard, for the hot dogs, the chicken fingers, and all of those things. And my kids, they're big breakfast kids. So you're always gonna find turkey bacon, eggs, you know, milk, almond milk, cottage cheese, yogurt, water, cut up fruits and vegetables. I like to do that because I find it's really easy when you're on the go, or you're peckish, or you're hungry. It's easy to just go in the refrigerator, grab something that's already washed and cut, and this way you're snacking on good things and not reaching for the bag of potato chips. Now, I have that too, but this is about the refrigerator, not the pantry. That's a whole other day. So I like to buy my fruits that are in season. I find that when I get fruit that's not really, really yummy, no one really eats it, and then it just goes to waste. And then, of course, the dairy/protein, you know, the deli meats, the turkey bacon, cheese, those kinds of things, all nice and neat, face forward, labels out. I know. There's something about a refrigerator that needs to be clean, and it needs to be organized, and then it feels right. That's pretty much it, and I've got an interview to do. So I will see you next time. Take care. Bye.